Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea Dudick, Realtor and Associate Broker with Vista Real Estate here in Central Texas. Today we're touring this spectacular luxury home. This is a $1.1 million modern ranch-style home, and it's so beautiful. Stay with me till the end. The outside is just as wonderful as the inside. Let's take a look. So this home is truly luxurious and one of a kind. There is roughly 3,300 square feet of living space, 4-bed, 3.5 bath. There are 2 living spaces and 2 dining rooms. Everything was redone on this home. It was technically built in 1970, but the seller redid it all from the studs up. So in the living room, you can see we have a wood-burning fireplace that has been tastefully painted black, wood-like tile throughout in all the main living spaces, and carpet in the bedrooms. The kitchen is a dream. It has space for seating in the island. You've got stainless steel Thor appliances, a chef's dream. We have a pot filler. We have the venting outside of the home. What's really neat is that you have your eat-in kitchen here, maybe for morning coffee, light breakfast with the family, maybe nothing too big, but it faces the outside of the home, so you get a nice view of that. This is one of the 4 bedrooms, and it's currently being used as an office, but it does have a closet. So you have 3 units on property. The seller was very meticulous about making sure that the home was adequately insulated and that energy bills would be great and everything would be really efficient. Brand new carpet, accent wall, patio entrance from the master, beams in your ceiling. And if we head on into the master bath, this is so pretty. Standalone tub, your soaking tub, some beautiful tile, and over here, you have a nice walk-in shower, but my favorite part is actually this closet. So come take a look. Built-in safe, tons of space for all of your clothes, but something that I thought was really neat and creative. This is actually space for a washer and dryer in the master closet so that you can do laundry in here and just put it where it needs to go. So it would be stackable. You could push this back. You have a little folding station. Like I said, you have your safe. So I think this is a really neat space. Let's keep going. So what I think is really neat is he built this with the intention of being here. This wasn't just your standard flip. He put a lot of detail into the home. This is one of the 4 bedrooms. Again, accent wall, fresh carpet. This is a very generous sized secondary bedroom. It is a full bathroom. This room is so huge, you could really do anything you wanted to it, but I wanted to highlight that you could do a dining space here. You could have a bar area. You can see there's actually a wet bar, another wine fridge, sink, all of that. It's really pretty, but you have no shortage of entertaining space. And this is technically the laundry room, since you have that other one in the master. But what's really neat is that while everything was basically redone, some of the original brick was left, and I think it just adds a nice little touch to the property, kind of leaving some of the natural elements. So through the garage, from the front, this actually looks like a 3-car garage. It is a 2-car garage with epoxy flooring. The 3rd-car garage was converted into the mother-in-law suite. There is one of the HVAC units in here. The garage door does open, so this area in general is very known for golf carts. So his thinking was that could open up, you could store a golf cart, or you can convert this and make that into a living space. Then you have your full kitchen with all of your appliances. Again, fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher all come with the mother-in-law suite. Full bedroom and full bathroom with a shower. And we have 3 entrances to the backyard and the back patio, which I thought was very well thought out. From the mother-in-law suite, from the dining space and from the master bedroom. This backyard is awesome. The house actually sits on 4 acres. You have mature pecan and oak trees all over the property. There was a lot done to this backyard. The pool was completely redone by a local pool company here. All new equipment, all new lining, a lot of work went into that, and you can tell it's great. There is, in that house right there, there's actually a well. So it's a 40-foot well. The water supplies all of the irrigation, and there is city water to the property, but a homeowner could convert the home to well water if they wanted to. There's a basketball and pickleball court. Pickleball, I guess, is getting really popular. All new landscaping, currently no rear neighbors, which is nice. And in the back there is a big storage building that was converted. It is currently being used as a gym, but you really could do whatever you want with that. Welcome to your gym. So the floors were just refinished, and like I mentioned, there is a heat pump in here, so you won't stay too hot and stuffy as you're working out. You could really do whatever you wanted with this space though. One of the best things I think about this property is actually the location. We are on 4 acres and it's very private, but you're only 3 minutes away from I-35, so your location is fantastic to get to things. You're about 40 minutes from Austin, Texas, you're 40 minutes from Waco, and 10 minutes from grocery stores and amenities. So if you're looking for some peace and quiet, but want to be close to everything, this would be your home. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour. If you'd like any more information on this property or any others in the area, you can find my contact information below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you can stay up to date on all the latest market trends, happenings, and cool things going on here in Central Texas. Until next time, I'm Andrea Dudek, guiding your next move with insight, care, and clear communication.